Damn. That's being a nice guy. Come on, Reggie.
That thing's got some power.
Let's go, Reggie. Touch and go, baby. Low pass, Bubba. Low pass.
Yeah, Reg, we want to see one straight down here.
Yeah, Reggie. Come on, baby.
They're all a bunch of evil. Horizontal to the airfield. He's got to stand with us. What's he doing?
I don't know. He always does that. I don't know why.
Hey, Reggie, what are you...
He's got no grass to throw.
Come over here.
Throw a rock. See how...
Yeah, you can do that from here. Come on, then we want to see this.
Oh, I will. I'll walk back over.
Okay, good. Into the tree.
Whoa. Boom. Yeah, that thing's got a lot of power. There. Boom. It's got some power.
Damn.
I remember when he had 2 engines on this before. It was
2?
Yeah, but it was brushed. Is that guy my long lost brother or something?
What do you mean? Oh, because he's making. No, there are horrible.
I think we're related.
There's horrible people in the world other than you.
Oh, he knows a good shot when he sees it.
So weird.
I like that guy. Keep it going all the way. Whoa, that was nice. Oh, that's funny. Well, I lost the plane. There you go.
I like the stripes too. I was thinking about getting one of those hats with stripes. I see one like that hat.
Lower!
Lower!
Oh.
Ah! Touch and go, buddy. Touch and go.
Locked underneath that.
Touch and go, Reg.
The last pass. Oh.
Touch and go. Touch and go. Touch and go. Touch and go. Come on, Reg.
Come on. A little skip.
Just a little touch. Just a little touch.
Oh.
Come on, lower. Yeah. No. He's like, I'm not listening to any of this. I'm just gonna land it.
I'm landing right to left.
Right to left? What's wrong with left to right?
He wants to land into this one?
Let's just sing float forever, man.
Yeah, I did. Put it
That whole body.
Jeez, look at that.
Oh. Watch the pothole.
Yeah! Go! Go!
Good job, Reggie. Enjoyed seeing it fly again. That's a good one. Now, can we get something like double that size, Reg? You should see my 10-footer.
Hey, Reg.
Yeah.
Peer pressure, I love it.
That's right.